my name is Sisi Aspia. I am studying at BSc University, studying Information System Engineering. Today, I'll be presenting about inside the computer and hardware. I hope this helps you understand more about how computer works. Thank you. Inside the computer and hardware. Inside the computer cover the essential component that make a computer function. Each part has a key role. Hardware is a physical component that has a physical form, such as a computer system or electronic system. 1. Input device. What is an input device? An input device is a hardware device asked to enter data or command into a computer system or other electronic device. Example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, webcam, touchscreen, stylus or digital pen, and game controller. Output device. What is an output device? An output device is a hardware device asked to display data or print data that has been processed by a computer system or other electronic device. Example, output device data print, monitor, projector, and printer. Example of audible data output device, speaker, headset, and VR headset. Processing device. What is a processing device? Processing device are components in a computer that perform calculation, manage instructions, and execute tasks, making them central to a computer function. Example, CPU, GPU, microcontroller, and TPU. Storage device. What is a storage device? A component on a computer whose main task is to store data. Example, HDD, SSD, NAS, SD card, and optical disc. Networking device. What is a networking device? Networking device asks to connect and manage data traffic between computer and other device in a network. Example, router, switch, modem, repeater, and firewall. Power supply. What is a power supply? A device that supplies and regulates electrical power for other electronic device. Example, PSU, UPS, power supply, and adapter. Cooling system. What is a cooling system? A computer cooling system prevents the component from overheating. As part like the CPU and GPU work, they generate heat. If they get too hot, it can damage the hardware or slow down the computer. Example, common cooling fan, heatsink, and liquid cooling. BIOS. What is a BIOS? The BIOS, basic input or output system, is firmware embedded in a computer motherboard that initializing hardware and manage data flow between the computer, operating system, and its attached device, such as the hard drive, video card, keyboard, and mouse. Firmware. What is a firmware? Firmware is a type of specialist software that provides low-level control for a device hardware. It's embedded in hardware components like computer, phones, printers, network router, and even household applications, enabling this device to perform specific functions.